Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton and I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library. Now, today's storytime theme is Christmas. So I'm going to start with a rhyme called Christmas Tree, written by Brenda Williams. A star twinkles on top of the tree. A silver bell tinkles for you and for me. The tree lights are gleaming while children lie dreaming of sleigh bells and Santa who comes in the night to leave presents and chocolates and toys to delight. Now, our first book for today is Snowman at Christmas, written by Carolyn Buhner, illustrated by Mark Buhner, and published by Dial Books for Young Readers. Copyright 2005. One Christmas Eve, I made a snowman, very fat and jolly. I dressed him up in red and green and trimmed his hat with holly. I saw his arms were trembling, as if he couldn't wait. It made me start to wonder, how do snowmen celebrate? I think that while I'm snug in bed, dreaming of Christmas treats, the merry snowmen slip away and hurry through the streets. They glide down snowy avenues with lamplights all aglow, the sleeping city blanketed in freshly fallen snow. They pass by toy shop windows framed with twinkling lights, pausing for a peek or two at holiday delights. The jolly snowmen gather from everywhere around for a Christmas party in the center of the town. Waving to each other, they call out cheery greetings. All their friends and family so happy to be meeting. A few merry snowmen start trimming the square. Soon holly and icicles are strung everywhere. And then, reaching high for everyone to see, they hang balls of snow on the big Christmas tree. The snow children play freeze tag or red rover, or climb in a stack till they wobble right over. The mothers lay out all kinds of cold treats, ice cream and snow cones, and dainty iced sweets. Then the dancing begins, to the tune of a fiddle. All the snowmen line up and sashay down the middle. Someone says, "Hush!" Could that be a jingle? Then over the hill glides the snowman Kris Kringle. He opens his sack with a jolly ho ho and pulls out their presents, each made out of snow. Santa sips his cocoa, the reindeer romp and play, and then, with a whistle, they're off on their way. Such fun snowmen have, but there's still one more thing. With hearts full of joy, they hold hands and they sing. While the fiddler plays and sweet silver bells ring, they sing songs about snow and the birth of a king. The children are sleepy. The grown-ups are yawning. The snowmen go home, just as Christmas is dawning. They're all back in their places when Christmas Day starts. But these folks made of snow have a glow in their hearts. Their smiles are more tender, their eyes softly shine, as the snowmen dream dreams of their Christmas time. Merry Christmas! The end. Now, our second book for today is Little Blue Truck's Christmas, written by Alice Shirtle, illustrated by Jill McElmurray, and published by Houghton Mifflin Harcourt. Copyright 2014. Beep, beep, beep. December's here. Little Blue Truck is full of cheer. Every Christmas, Little Blue has a delivery job to do. 5 trees ready to take a ride. How many trees will fit inside? 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees, 4. Just enough room for 1 tree more. 5 green trees make 1 big load. Beep, says Blue. Let's hit the road. Blue has friends both far and near who needs a Christmas tree this year. Honk, says the goose. This big one, please. Now there are 4 green Christmas trees. Moo, says the cow. This tall one, please. Now there are 3 green Christmas trees. Oink, says the pig. This fat one, please. Now there are 2 green Christmas trees. Ma, says the goat. This short one, please. Now there is 1 green Christmas tree. 1 tree left in a little blue truck. 1 tree left. What very good luck. Little Blue Truck needs a Christmas tree. Beep, beep, beep. This one's for me. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with these books is a paper Christmas tree craft, like this. So the first thing you'll need to do is get some green construction paper and cut it into different sized green strips. Then you'll get a piece of red construction paper and then glue the green strips on it, starting with the longest green strip toward the bottom, and then the next longest on top of that, all the way up so that the shortest strip is at the very top. Then you'll get some brown construction paper and cut it into a rectangle and glue that right underneath the bottom green strip, so it looks like the trunk of a Christmas tree. Next, you can get a star sticker or get some yellow paper and cut a star out of it, which you'll glue on top of the top green paper strip. That way it looks like the star on top of a Christmas tree. Then the last thing you'll need is to get some white paint and a Q-tip. And then you'll dip the Q-tip into the white paint and use it as a stamp all around the red paper so that it looks like snow. Then, once it's dry, you will have made your very own paper Christmas tree. The instructions for this craft can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and Merry Christmas!